On October 3rd, the federal government implemented a new rule designed to help streamline the process of obtaining a mortgage and to make this process more transparent for borrowers for all newly originated loans going forward. To comply with this rule, known as TRID, title companies and mortgage lenders have had to make significant adjustments to their established loan processing systems, and the sheer magnitude of these adjustments has led to fears of longer closing times for mortgage finance home purchases nationwide. But Florida Realtor's newly released November 2015 residential housing market statistics may reveal a few clues about what kind of early impact TRID may be having on Florida's housing markets. As always, we'll be taking a look at statewide figures calculated across two property type categories, with single-family homes in one category and townhouses and condos in the other. Year-over-year growth in closed sales was just under 2% for single-family homes in November, which was a bit better than last month's 1.2% increase, but still significantly less than the growth observed in the prior 9 months of 2015. On the other hand, sales growth in the condo townhome market rebounded from its October decline quite nicely with a 5.7% year-over-year increase. So, has the single-family home market simply cooled down a bit from the frenetic pace it set during the first 3 quarters of 2015? Perhaps, but we also might want to consider the possibility that TRID-related delays have simply bumped many transactions that would otherwise have closed in late November into December. It's hard to tell based on overall closed sales counts alone, though, so let's see if we can find more clues in the other metrics. The share of closed single-family home sales paid in cash rose by 3.4 percentage points from October to November, up to 37.7%. Likewise, the share of cash sales among closed condo and townhome sales rose by 4 percentage points, up to 65.4%. Both of these month-to-month increases were larger than any increases we've seen in the past few years in November. This lends evidence to the notion that perhaps TRID really has delayed the closing of some mortgage finance sales. Single-family home transactions, which did close in November, were on the market from listing to close for a median of 46 days, a figure which has virtually been constant since June. In the condo townhome market, this figure came in at 48 days, down from 50 days in October. But if a significant number of closed sales have been bumped into December due to TRID, we should probably expect that these numbers will go up in next month's statistics, so we'll be keeping an eye on them. New pending sales, it should be noted, were down for the 3rd straight month on a year-over-year basis, declining by 2.8% in the single-family home category and by 7.2% in the condo townhome category. Because these downward trends began before the implementation of TRID, we probably do need to consider the possibility that the markets may be cooling down a little. But remember, pending sales do not